Peter from Phase Renewables, part of the Phase Electrical family. We're here at the Bexhill Open Day today to represent the renewables team. We've got our inverters and a few sort of items here, just promoting all that we do at Phase Renewables.
I'm Hebe and I'm here at the Phase Bexhill Open Day. I'm from Spit.
We're here demonstrating our P27E nailer.
It takes gas and a battery, which means that it can be extremely light. In fact, the lightest on the market.
This is a nailer specifically for electricians. It takes a range of pins up to 27mm and clips for electrical applications on site.
I'm Josh, I'm from the Burger Brothers. We're a Phase opening day. I hope you guys enjoyed the food, enjoyed the weather. I hope you guys enjoyed the day. Thank you.
Good morning, it's Reg from Avaya Lighting. I'm here with the Scarmore Group team today down Phase Bexhill for their trade day. Come and join us and speak to some of the experts about the products and how we can support you as a business.
My name's Ian, I'm from Fusebox and I'm here with Phase Electrical here at Bexhill on a beautiful sunny day. We've got a nice pink fuse board for you to come and have a look at, and you can come and argue the point over that with me. We've got our new 3-phase range, including our RCBOs and bits and pieces we've got going along with that, and a few other odds and ends that will make your life a bit more interesting.
My name's Aaron, I work for ATC. We specialise in electric heating and hand dryers, anything from oil filled, ceramic, panel heaters, outdoor heating and air curtains, as well as hand dryers.
Hiya, I'm Reese, this is Josh from Milwaukee. Got all the tools here, come down, have a look, see what you like, got it all in stock.